Before you watch the video, like our channel, subscribe it and click on the bell icon for notifications.
Hi everybody, welcome to AGAA-MATH channel. Today we are going to show you the new OMR sheet which was introduced by Navodaya Vidyalaya. So in the month of April, there's a Navodaya entrance test for the 6th students. And from this year, the OMR sheet, the answer sheet is going to be changed. So here we are going to see the new model answer sheet for the 6th entrance. So this is the answer sheet of side 1. So this consists of two sides. Of the side 1, fill in the following entries with the blue or black ball point pen only. So here you have to write your rule number which is already given in your hall ticket, and you have to use only blue or black ball point pen in the case. So you are not supposed to use any gel pen. Okay, and also you have to write the name of the candidate. It means a student name who is appearing for this exam to be written in the capital letters, and then after here it's a father name that to be written in capital letters. Okay, so and this is a model where you have to darken the circles. If you darken the two options which is given in the next answer sheet like A, B, C, D, you have to just darken only one circle which is here, that is correct. If you darken two circles, it is wrong, or one is darkened and given strike off, it is wrong. Either if you do one is a strike off and again giving right option there with a right sign, also wrong. So be careful, and also you are not supposed to fill incomplete circle in darken this complete full circle with your blue or ballpoint pen. No change in the answer once marked. So once you answer it, you are not supposed to change. So before you answer, be careful. Okay, and here we go to the next. So before going to the next page, here this is a model how you have to darken the circle. So if your rule number is like 173 to 172, so how to darken here? So out of this 0 to 9, you have to darken only 1 in this column, and if you number is 7, so you have to write the 7 in this space provided, and you have to darken the 7 here. Similarly 3, 2, 1, 7, 2, so on. So the main test booklet number, when you get the question text booklet, so yeah, there will be a number provided on that. So that booklet number to be written here, and the state, district, block, center, all these will be provided to you when you go to the examination center. Okay, so important thing, the candidate should check carefully that main booklet code printed on side 2 of the OMR sheet is the same as printed on the main sheet. Okay, and text booklet, in case of discrepancy, the candidate should immediately report the matter to the invigilator. So whenever you find something different, then you have to inform to the invigilator. Okay, so this is only will be filled by the candidate, like a rule number and the main test booklet number. So like if you write number 1, so you just you encircle this only 1. If you write 2, so you will circle only 2. And before we have seen how to fill this, these are all the circles. So carefully, okay, it should not be incomplete. And here the answers. So if you look at the question number 1, and if your answer is A, so you have to fill this complete A. You have to darken it completely. Okay, you are not supposed to give any right mark like that. For example, before you have seen already. Okay, and then if you look at this, main booklet code A, if your booklet code is A, then you have to darken here as A. So there's a total 80 questions which you have in this answer sheet. So out of total 80 questions, so before handing over the OMR sheet to the invigilator, the candidate should check that rule number and main test booklet number are filled in and marked correctly. So before you hand over, check once again whether you have you have written your rule number in the space provided here and the main test booklet number. then after have you answered all the answers from 1 to 80, so don't leave any question. So answer all the questions, okay. And also you have to do your signature in a running hand, means in generally how do you write your name, you write here, and this is the space provided for the signature of invigilator, and they just signature to put center stamp in blue or blank. So this is about the invigilator, those who will take care there. So this is a way how to use this new model of answer sheet. So children, be aware of this model answer sheet and practice before you go for the exam. Practice with the different number of model papers. So what you do, take the photocopy for all these two pages and have a good practice. We hope you do your best in the exam. So all the best to the students, those who are appearing for the exam. Thank you all.